Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how to add the same header across all the pages while taking the print when you have large number of rows. So if you see in this particular Excel sheet, I have so many rows, and when I want to take a print of this, I won't be able to get all the pages with the same headers. Like, let me show you how exactly it will appear while taking a print. So when I go to the print preview, you can see the first page has the header. However, if I go to the subsequent pages, there won't be any headers available. So it is uh, it is available that we can make sure that all the pages have the same headers. So let us see how exactly we can do that. So to do that, first go to page layout, and here you can see there is an option called print titles. So if you click on it, you have options like print area, print titles. So there is one option called rows to repeat at top. So you need to click on that option and select the space that are to be printed across all the pages. So I have selected it. So next you need to click on OK. So once it is done, you can go and check the print area again, the print preview. So the first page, which was already having the headers. So if you can see the second page, which now has the headers that we had selected, and even the third page. So all the pages are now available with the headers, so that it will be easy for you to take a print and you can have the same headers. I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe to our channel and share it across your friends. Thank you.